Hi guys, another day, another property hunt. This is Larry Loyola, your property hunter. And if bago ka sa page ko, please like, share, and follow para updated ka sa mga next videos ko. Today, andito tayo sa isa sa mga napakagandang projects na hawak namin here in Cavite. This is Golden Horizon. And right now, andito tayo sa Manors na model unit Luisa with balcony. Meron itong lot area na 96 square meters at floor area na 62 square meters. Meron itong 3 bedrooms at 2 toilets and bathroom. And ito, makikita nyo yung sa likod niya, may lawak ng space niya, it will serve as your service area. And kung tatanungin nyo kung ganito mismo yung matatanggap ng unit, is yes, tama kayo dyan. Complete type turnover na po ito. Meron itong tiles, paints, and room divisions. And location wise, yes, bed accessible ito. Located dito in Barangay Hugo Perez, Trece Martires, Cavite. And located dito near Governor's Drive. And madali lang itong hanapin mga ka-property hunter. Nearest landmark ito is Pure Gold Hugo Perez. Malapit din ito sa mga establishments like supermarkets, hospitals, and schools. And if tatanungin nyo kung kamusta ang community, napaka-peaceful ng ambient dito. Tahimik, wala masyadong tao, at hindi polluted. For its price naman, its price starts at 4.5M. Pwede ito per bank and Pag-ibig financing. Also, may ibang unit na ino-offer si Golden Horizon like townhouse at single detached. At kung umabot sa iyo ang video na to, tara, mag-site tour ka na.